Hi, it's Frank Del Rio. We are out here in the city of Placentia at a brand new listing. You are in for a treat today. This property here on Natchez Avenue is 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bath, 1,121 square feet, and just right here in front of your property, you get these beautiful grounds. Now, this is a planned unit development, so these are single family homes with an HOA. Has a beautiful pool. It's actually a huge pool. I just came from there. Lots of greenbelt walking areas, and you are in prime location. But before we get into your outdoor amenities, let's go inside and take a look at this property. Okay, welcome home. Now, this property is, for a lack of better words, in need of some serious TLC. This is a probate sale. So the owner has passed on, the family is now handling the estate. Nobody has passed away in the property itself, but the family's handling it through the vehicle called probate. So that means the home is going to be sold in as-is condition. So what you see here in the video is what you get. And you know how we do things. We love being transparent with our viewers, our buyers, so you know exactly what you're getting. So you're gonna have to have a little bit of a vision with this product. You've got this nice open living space here. You're gonna have to scrap the carpet and put something a little bit more fresh, maybe add more tile. The tile flooring is actually really nice and it cascades over to the kitchen area. You've got a staircase that'll lead you up to your 3 bedrooms. All the bedrooms are upstairs. They're good size, and you've got the master bathroom as well, and then a half bath down here. So what I like about this space here is it opens up into your nook area / dining room, and the space in here is open. You have this courtyard with like a nice breezeway almost, if you will, which that is really key. The kitchen itself is a nice size, but obviously it has to get redone from top to bottom. That's partly why the price is so beautiful. We're asking $550,000. This is the single best price in the entire city of Placentia for a single family home. So the owners knew and understood, hey, we're gonna have to give some love to this property. Let's do it in terms of the price so that the buyers feel like they're getting a good price for the amount of work that's gonna be needed to get this home back up to its beautiful standing, if you will. So you have enough space in here. You can put your refrigerator, your appliances, and you can redo this however you'd like. You can knock down one of the walls, make a nice big center island. It has options. And then this part out here, your courtyard, once the trees get cut up and trimmed up a little bit here, you're gonna have a lot more space. But I also like it because the trees act as natural shade. So you can put a gazebo out here, you can put some lawn chairs, and it connects you directly to your 2-car garage, which is great. It's a nice size garage in there. We still have some items that are on their way out, so we're not gonna show you that on camera today, but let's look at the rest of the home. Let's come upstairs. So upstairs, you have the 3 bedrooms. These are good sized bedrooms. You've got the main bathroom right in the middle. And tell me that is not the cutest ceiling fan with just the tiniest little blades. Just for nostalgic purposes, do me a favor. When you redo this whole house, leave that ceiling fan, because that thing is super cute. I like that the master bedroom is the biggest room of them all, but it also faces the front where you're gonna have optimal shade, so it won't get as hot on this side of the house, which is a really nice feature to have. You have storage closets here, a big attic up top as well, and then you have all 3 bedrooms, just close quarters. So if you're a starting out family, this is perfect. If you wanna buy this as a rental, you can do that too. There's a lot of options with this. Let's go see the grounds, do a recap, and talk about the other amenities you get here in the immediate neighborhood. Come on. I hope you enjoyed this tour of 2378 Natchez Avenue in the beautiful city of Placentia. So let's recap. You've got 3 beautiful bedrooms, 1.5 bathroom, 1,121 square feet of really nice space. You just have to have a vision, bucket of paint, and some great ideas of how you want to bring that property to life, essentially. Right? The pricing on it is beautiful, $550,000. That is just unheard of right now in the city of Placentia, especially because of our location. You are literally across the street from Golden Elementary. That holds all the high reviews and ratings for elementary schools. You got El Dorado High School right around the corner, the middle school. You also have private schools, Friends Christians right down the street. You're in a superb location for that. The grounds themselves, the HOA here is $280 a month. That comes with this amazing pool and gated area. It's kind of private, which is nice. And then you have all this greenbelt and walkway areas. I just love hanging out here amongst these bushes and the shrubs and the trees, and you just kind of feel like you're in nature, even though you're surrounded on the outskirts with other properties. Now let's go a step further. You're literally on the hub of your other two cities. You've got Yorba Linda to the east of you, Brea to the north, but you're able to take advantage of also what those cities have to offer. Amazing restaurants. You've got the Yorba Linda Town Center, about 4 minutes away. You've got Whole Foods, La Floresta, the Brea Mall, that's all a few minutes away. You've got Tri-City Parks. You can walk there or ride your bike with the family. So overall lifestyle, you're getting an immense value for the price, even though you do have to put a little TLC into this home, which is just a rare thing. Usually these kind of deals sell behind the scenes, but we're giving it out to the marketplace for the first time. So I think you're gonna enjoy it. We're hoping a lucky buyer falls in love and has the vision here. If you wanna see this home personally, you can call me, you can text me, 714-335-0844. Take care.